so.
This is the Blackout Everest Gen 7. It's supposed to be a rock crawler, so it should be a lot slower, huh?
And you paid extra money, so we don't have to build it.
It's ready to run. So we open it?
So unbox it.
Watch yourself. You gotta...
This is the sharpest scissors we have.
Yeah, I got sharp scissors.
The kitchen scissors.
Okay, we're gonna go like this.
Hey, what is this stuff?
A little bubble wrap? That's cool. Neat type of bubble wrap, huh?
Yeah. Okay. Why is it just covered in...
Look, it's got the same controller. We're gonna have to...
Same control, but...
We're gonna have to label it because we won't want to get them mixed up.
Okay, I'm gonna go, there's a Sharpie marker in...
We'll do it later.
There's a Sharpie marker. I found a Sharpie marker in the Toyota, but, okay. Yeah, we crashed the car.
Okay, you ready?
Whoa, it's big!
It's big. This seems cool. Oh! It's so cool. Oh, what? I'm pumped. Are you pumped? This thing is so cool. Dude, it was like 100.
We never shown you the cat.
Oh, Peppy. Show him the cat. Peppy cat. Dude, this thing was
we
only...
have 3 of them, not just one.
This thing was only like $100-something.
Oh.
This thing is... Look at the travel on the suspension. What do you think about the suspension?
It's
pretty good, huh?
See?
The back's better than the front. Maybe.
Wait, I didn't know this was the front.
Oh, don't steer. You don't want to turn it. Yeah. You don't want to do that when it's not on.
I'm trying to activate one side of suspension.
Oh, yeah.
That is pretty nice. Well, she does shake this servo.
Big servo. Let's show them here. It's got a big servo up there. Look at those gears. Can you see the gears? This gear is really cool. It's like this big gear right next to the motor. See the gears? It's cool. And it's got like real drive shafts. Working drive shaft, working differentials. This thing is cool.
The coolest body in the world.
Yeah.
So cool. The inside is silver. That's the inside. And the outside is silver.
I'm pumped. This is our first
What happened to the pins?
legit rock crawler. The pins are there. Okay, so we charge it up.
Yeah.
See how it goes?
Probably takes a long time.
It does take a long time to charge.
Maybe we'll let it charge like halfway. And then we can...
I think it's best for the batteries if you charge them all the way. Okay, we'll see you. We've made a course. This one's called the Everest, right? Okay, over the ramp. You gotta make it through the rocks. Oh. Uh-oh. So you gotta make it, on the platform. Okay, there you go. Okay, you made it on the platform. Now the big log. Let's see if he can do the big log. Oh, he got it. Now you gotta make the X. Oh, he got it. Wow. First try, huh?
Yeah.
I gotta make it more difficult. It needs a little bit more turning, huh?
A little bit less.
Oh, really? I think it needs more turning. Okay, let's see you do the track one more time. Left your bag of chips out, huh? Uh-oh! Oh, got a little stuck. Oh, there's another fail. You got it first try, now it's more challenging, huh? Uh-oh. You might have to try going a little slower on the throttle, maybe. Uh-oh. Oh! Okay, now you gotta start from the beginning. If you fail, you have to start from the beginning.
I didn't know that.
Okay, it's probably not best to pick it up by the front wheels with the servo. Does that make sense? Did you hear the servo go? It messes up the servo when you grab it. Here we go.
Already stuck.
Go back. No, don't touch it. As soon as you touch it, it's a fail. Okay, go back. Oh, forward. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh, saved it. Okay, on the platform, good. Oh, fail, start over. Oh yeah, the back bumper, probably. Just not the front wheels. You gotta start over, you failed.
No, just give me I'll drive it back. What if we set like an obstacle course like this, but for the actual truck?
Oh, that would be cool. Like a big obstacle course.
Yeah, big one.
See how you're kind of backing up the wrong way? No, yeah, there you go. There you go. Oh, you turned a little too sharp. There you go, there you go. Oh! Okay, you got it. I'll let you line it up, I guess. Okay, here we go. Yeah, do a little angle. Sometimes it's good for a little bit of angle. Oh! Can you save it? Wow, what a save. Yes. I have to work tomorrow. Oh, the board keeps getting you. Okay. Ray's gonna try the challenge. Number 2, Ray driving the Everest. There. Oh, yep, there you go. Oh, fail. It's kind of a hard challenge, huh?
Yeah.
We made a good course for the first one.
Yeah.
Let's see if you can do it. Try it again. Imagine all the courses we can build in Idaho.
Those ones are insane. And even normal grass.
You might have to go back a little bit. Oh, you got it. Okay, on the board. Trey, don't touch it. What are you doing? Trey, why did you do that? Okay, you might have to back up to get the turn, huh? Oh, wow, what a save. Oh, no. Oh, you gotta go smooth on the throttle.
No, the wind blowed on our
That's where the board, you gotta go smooth on the throttle. Give it one more shot.
One more.
I know it looks easy, but it's hard, huh? There you go. There you go. Whoa, nose wheelie.
Not nose, but wheelie. This is where I get off. Gotta make it to the end.
Oh, you got it. You got it. Get on that board. Oh. There you go. There you go. Oh, now slow. Oh, you did too much throttle again.
It might be a little bad on the thing because he's so like from his
Maybe you
phone.
should practice the little throttle. Back to this car here. Real slow. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good throttle. Good. Wow. See how fast you learned it? There you go. Oh, you should have gone backwards and you went forwards.
I should back up a little bit.
Okay, try the ramp one more time. Just start there.
No, I just want to start from here.
Yep. Oh, I think he got it. Oh, you gotta go a little slower. There you go, there you go. Oh yeah, there's that throttle control. Yeah, exactly. Okay, there you go, nice and steady. Oh, broski!
Why'd you pull it that way? Freaking thing. It's really hard. One last one. This is like the actual one last time. Okay, here we go. The actual last one.
Oh, it almost tipped. Yep. Oh, you got it. You got it. Oh, slow back. Go slow. Oh. Yes. Yes. Okay, the big log. Big log. You got it. No, keep wiggling it. It'll go. Hit the throttle. Oh, did it die? Oh my gosh. The worst place to. Oh, it's there, guy. Finish strong. Finish strong. Yeah.
I want to go back up the ramp now. Can I try it? No, don't try it again. I want to try it. I just want to get back up the. Just park here, just right for you. Here's it.
What do you think about the course?
That was really this looks absolutely easy. No, this is the freaking opposite of easy. It took me like 5 tries. I'm telling you, this is hard. Pretty soft.
Okay, look out, Trey, man. Yeah, oh, crash.
Can you hit the jump it? Oh, do we have another RC car?
No, the
Bro, we freaking need the Megalodon back. That thing was like...
Land it!
That thing, oh my god. Did you see the new and improved one?
Oh, the bigger one?
Yeah. So is actually really good. So we're gonna probably make another video on this.
You like the
Yeah, I like
Everest? It was a good buy. It was on sale.
This was good to buy.
What do you like about it?
Well, I like that it has unfair suspension.
Mm-hmm.
Unfair. And I have to lean my weight on it. But very unfair suspension.
You like it though? It was good.
And the clearance from the ground is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers.
Oh, let me see that. Show 'em.
And the clearance from the ground is 5 fingers.
Yep. Pretty good clearance because it was able to climb over logs.
Yeah. Logs.
All those bricks.
Yeah, the bricks.
Okay, well, we like our Red Cat Everest. It'll probably be in a lot of videos up to come, huh?
What?
Love it. All right, say bye.
Actually, probably next video we're probably gonna race between the Red Cat and the Everest racing.
Yeah, maybe we could do a whole challenge.
Yeah, we
Okay.
can do that. But then the crawling challenge, the Everest would probably make that.
Exactly.
But then the racing challenge, the Red Cat would probably make that.
Yeah, they each have things they're good at, right?
Yeah.
Different things.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You want to say bye?
Bye.